Hey everyone, so today I'm going to make some chicken tacos, but Indian style with a little bit of a Mexican twist. And these are some of the ingredients that I am using for some kind of a sauce to put on top of the chicken. And I have some mint leaves from the Patel Brothers store in Devon Street in Chicago. Shout out to them. They got a lot of great produce. I have one cucumber. I don't know what these are exactly called, but they're not the big ones. They're the small, crunchy ones. Just one of those. I have one green chili. I have one garlic clove, and I have a lime, a handful of cilantro. I might add more depending on what's needed. I have some natural yogurt, just plain white yogurt or curd, some mayonnaise just to give it a thickness, and that's it. And maybe some garlic salt. Yeah, we'll probably add some garlic salt as well to give it a finishing touch. So that's gonna be the sauce, the topping. Okay, so I added the cucumber, I added the garlic clove. I'm going to add the mint leaves, and just a little bit, not too much. Okay, so I just cut off a little bit of the leaves, not too much, because we just want it to give that little pop of freshness. And then I'm going to add the curd. I have a tablespoon here. I'm gonna add a pretty decent tablespoon of curd. Let's do 2. The other one not that full. And then I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise to give it that thickness and that flavor. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic salt. And I'm going to add a little bit of lemon flavor. Okay, so we're going to blend this, and this is going to be our topping for the taco. Guys, so this is the consistency it has. It's very nice, very good topping. Has a lot of flavor pop in here. Okay, so I cut up some iceberg lettuce, and I'm just gonna add some lemon juice on it, just for a little flavor. And this is gonna go as a topping for the taco as well. So over here I have the chapatis, or the tortillas, that I'm going to use for my taco. And these are also from the Patel Brothers in Devon Street. And I absolutely love these. They're super yummy, and they're handmade. They have a little area where they make a bunch of different foods, like they have a bakery, they have different types of chapatis. I just grabbed these because they looked super delicious. They're thick, but they're not too thick, you know, they're just perfect consistency. You're gonna see when I make them. And they stay soft, they don't get hard quick. The flavor is super yummy. I don't know, I love them. I fell in love with them the moment I tasted them. They're great for Mexican tacos, or you know, just regular Indian curry. And these are great. They have 25 piece, they have more or less, and they have like ones that are mixed with vegetables and stuff like that. So shout out to them because they're great. I really like them. And then we have some chicken curry that we had for dinner yesterday, since we had so much left over and it's been marinating overnight. I thought it would be a great idea. It's kind of like a shawarma or a gyro, similar to that, because it's, you know, it's not pita bread, but it's like a, you know, it's a tortilla. And then you got this really great marinated chicken here. I got some chickpeas in the back that we're gonna fry up with some oil, and we're gonna add some lemon and some chili powder, but we'll show that later. So this is the meal for tonight. So here are the chapatis from the Patel Brothers on Devon Street in Chicago. Like I said, they're very good size, and I really like them. I feel like the flavor is like homemade almost. Even my husband thought they were very good. So we just add a little bit of ghee to it to give that crunchiness, I guess. And that's gonna be for our tacos. All right, so this is how I'm making these chicken tacos. So I'm gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise, just a little bit, to give it a creamy consistency. I'm going to add the chicken curry. That's very juicy. And down the middle. And this has been marinating, so it's delicious. Okay. And then we're gonna add your lettuce. And then we have some onions cut up. We're gonna add some of those. Give it a nice crunch. And then we're going to add the cream that we made, which is kind of like a chutney. And there you have it, guys, your chicken taco. And like I said, we have these chickpeas or garbanzo seeds, so we can always add these to a taco as well. There you go. Enjoy. All right, here you go. Here is the taco, ready to be eaten and enjoyed. Cheers.